I had such a great time at RMIT, made some great relationships. I've had such a good rapport with some of the lecturers here. It is so heartening to see that the relationship does not stop when your semester ends. They still keep in touch. They're always so keen to help you. One of the career services that I used here at RMIT was the job shop, and it was such a great experience. They have so many workshops for resume writing, cover letter writing, and even LinkedIn profile shots. One afternoon when I was just browsing through the RMIT Career Hub website, I saw this ad for the Medibank internship. I brushed through all my notes from the job shop workshops, prepared my resume, prepared a cover letter, and I was so thrilled to get an interview call later. Studying a postgrad at RMIT has definitely prepared me for the career that awaits me, and I feel a lot more confident armed with that degree.